In today's episode of Counting Without Counting Part 2, we will consider the total number of all possible equilateral triangle in such type of given triangular arrangements. So, let us begin with this T1, which simply means there is only one equilateral triangle of unit side. So, how many equilateral triangles are here? Obviously, we have only one triangle. Now, consider the next possibility of T2. So, side 1 unit, how many triangles we see here? So, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 smaller one, and of side 2 unit, it is the largest one, which is only one. So, we have one such triangle. So, total number of triangles possible are 5. In the arrangement T3, side 1 unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, clearly we have 9 such triangles. Side 2 unit, we can easily count, this is 1, then 2 and then this is the third one. So, total such triangles are 3, and with side 3 unit, of course, the largest triangle. So, total number of such possible triangles in this case are 13. Consider the next possibility of T4. Now, here the side 1 unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So, 16 such small triangles are possible. Now, let us focus on the triangles of side 2 units. Observe it carefully. So, this is 1, then we have this is 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. But also observe that there is the occurrence of one inverted triangle here. So, it actually becomes 6 plus 1, that is 7 such triangles are possible. Now, the triangles of side 3 units, that is simply 1, 2 and 3. So, 3 such triangles, and of course, the 4 unit side, the biggest one. So, it is 1. When you all add all these possible number of triangles, it is total out to be 27. Now, there is a shortcut formula for the same, which is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 3 by 8 and the greatest integer of this. So, let me explain this formula by taking one example. What does n represent here? It is simply this base number. So, we have this triangular arrangement having 3 equal divisions. So, 1, 2, 3 and same way here 1, 2, 3. So, here we define and take n as equal to 3. So, let us substitute this value in this formula So 3 into 4 into this will be 6 plus 3 9, and then divided by 8 and its greatest integer. So which is coming out equal to, after simplification, 13.5 greatest integer. In a simple word, what we need to choose? The integral part of this, or in other word, just forget about this decimal part and takes 13, which is your required number of equilateral triangles in this arrangement. In this T4, so clearly our n is equal to 4. So let's quickly verify this also. So 4 into 5 into 11 divided by 8, it simplifies to 27.5, and the integral part of this is 27, which is our required answer. Well, if we do not consider this formula, there is another very interesting shortcut method for the same. As we already have seen, this is our T3. So here we take n is equal to 3. Now the base is divided into 3 equal parts. Just write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Along to this number 1, write this as it is, add this number 2 and write over here. So it will be 3, 1 plus 2, 3. Next to this number, add this 3, we have 6 over here, add all of them. So we are getting 10. Now starting from bottom to top, start deleting and accepting the alternative numbers. What does that mean? Start deleting. So delete this number, but accept this number 3, and then alternatively delete this number. So we left with 3 over here. Add this number to the previously counted number as 10. The total number of equilateral triangles will be 13 of all sizes. Let's quickly verify this in this T4. So n is equal to 4. So just consider the case, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Write the numbers like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Write this number 1 as it is. Now to this number 1, add this number 2 and write over here. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Add all these numbers. So we are getting this as 20. Next, what we are supposed to do? From bottom to top, start deleting and accepting the alternating numbers. Start deleting. So delete this number, but accept this number. Delete this number and accept this number. So this 1 plus 6 is 7. Add this to the previous number so counted. So total number of equilateral triangles in this is 27. So now here is a task for you. How many total number of all possible equilateral triangles are in this given figure? This is your question number 1. And the task for you, question 2, how many total number of all possible equilateral triangles in the given figure? Please write down your answers in the chat box. In next episode, I will take few more such arrangements for triangles, squares and miscellaneous figures. Thank you everyone.